Hello, Namaskar, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about gout और यूरिक एसिड डिसऑर्डर्स। अभी ठंड के मौसम में ये बीमारी का ज़्यादा प्रभाव देखा जाता है। इसे हम देखेंगे। यूरिक एसिड क्या है? यूरिक एसिड C5H4N4O379 डाईहाइड्रो 1H प्यूरिन 268 3H ट्रायोन molecular mass 168 Da is a product of the metabolic breakdown of purine nucleotides. So uric acid is the metabolic breakdown of purine nucleotides. It is synthesized in liver, intestine, muscle, kidney and the vascular endothelium as the end product of an exogenous pool of purine. After synthesis of purine in liver, intestine, muscle, kidney and the vascular endothelium, it passes or excreted as an exogenous form of purine. Most serum uric acid is freely filtered in kidney and approximately 90% of filtered uric acid is reabsorbed. Over half of the antioxidant capacity of the blood plasma comes from uric acid. High level of uric acid are readily detected in cytosol of normal human cells, especially in liver. Uric acid is a chemical created when the body breaks down substance called purine. Purine are normally produced in the body and are also found in some foods and drinks. Foods with high content of purine include liver, anchovies, mackerel, dried beans and peas and beer. Most uric acid dissolve in blood and travel to the kidney. From there, it passes out in urine. If your body produces too much uric acid or does not remove enough of it, you can get sick. A high level of uric acid in the blood is called hyperuricemia. Increased level of uric acid in blood is called hyperuricemia. यूरिक एसिड का लक्षण क्या होता है? जब हमारे शरीर में यूरिक एसिड की मात्रा बढ़ती है तो इसके कारण जोड़ों में और गांठों में, जॉइंट्स में तेज दर्द, अपच, घुटनों में सूजन, बार बार पेशाब आना जैसी समस्याएं हो सकती है। यूरिक एसिड बढ़ने के कारण कभी कभी आनुवंशिक कारकों के कारण भी हमारे शरीर में यूरिक एसिड बढ़ जाता है। नॉर्मल वैल्यू रेंज बिटवीन 3.5 to 7.2 मिलीग्राम पर डेसीलीटर और mg पर dl. Normal value ranges may vary slightly among different laboratories. The example above show the common measurement range for results for these tests. Some laboratories use different measurement or may test different specimen. Causative factor for gout. Uric acid is normally cleaned out of the blood by the kidney and passes out of the body along with urine. However, high level of uric acid can accumulate inside the body either when the kidney excrete too little uric acid, when the body produces too much uric acid. This condition is known as hyperuricemia. The main causes of hyperuricemia are genetics, weight, eating high purine food, other health problems. So, what is genetic causes? Genetics. An estimated 20 to 80% of people with gout have a family history of gout. Weight. Being overweight increases risk. Drinking too much alcohol keeps the body from removing uric acid. Eating high purine food can lead to gout flares or make them worse. These foods include asparagus, beef kidneys, brain, dried beans and peas. Some meats, gravy, herring, liver, mackerel, mushrooms, sardines, scallops and sweet bread. Other health problems. Other health problems that may contribute to gout include high blood pressure, hypothyroidism, psoriasis, hemolytic anemia or cancer. Clay-Shingmiller syndrome. Clay-Shingmiller syndrome, partial deficiency of the enzyme hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. Diuretics or water pills. These are taken to ease high blood pressure, edema and heart disease. They also decrease the amount of uric acid passed in the urine. ब्लड प्रेशर कम करने के लिए बीपी की जो दवा लेते हैं उस दवा का काम है हमारे यूरिन आउटपुट को बढ़ाना, तो उस दवा के लेने के कारण भी हो सकता है. यूजेज ऑफ सम ड्रग्स लाइक सैलिसिलेट containing drugs niacin, cyclosporin and levodopa. How does colchicine work for acute gout? Colchicine is an alternative treatment for gout attack for those people who cannot take anti-inflammatory painkillers. It works by reducing the number of white blood cells which travel into the inflamed area. This helps break the cycle of inflammation and reduces the swelling and pain in the gout. Treatment. So, different treatment used for the gout, in which number one is the color therapy. Red color water at morning and evening, yellow color water before meal. Put orange light on the affected joints for 15 minutes. Massage blue color sesame oil on lower back joint and green color oil on knee, heels, wrist and elbow in circles at morning and evening. So, use of color therapy, color water and color oil is definitely depends upon the training acquired in alternative medicine, in which color therapy is one part. What abnormal results mean? Greater than normal level of uric acid hyperuricemia may be due to acidosis, alcoholism, chemotherapy related side effect, dehydration, diabetes, excessive exercise, hypoparathyroidism, lead poisoning, leukemia, medullary cystic kidney disease, polycythemia vera, purine-rich diet, renal failure, toxemia of pregnancy. Lower than normal level of uric acid may be due to Fanconi syndrome, hereditary diseases of metabolism, HIV infection, liver diseases, low purine diet. Medicines such as fenofibrate, losartan and trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone SIADH secretion, Other reason this test may be performed include chronic kidney disease, gout, injury of the kidney and ureter, kidney stone. Alternative names और दूसरा नाम gout, uric acid in blood, hyperuricemia, uric acid in blood. Dietary changes during treatment or better recovery, which type of diet we advise? Drink more water and other non-alcoholic fluids. Drink less alcohol, especially beer. Eat less meat. Limit high purine meat and seafood. Limit added sugar and sodas in your drink. Increase intake of fruit, vegetable, legumes and whole grains. Homeopathic medicine, colchicum, benzoic acid, Arnica montana, Lidum pal, belladonna, Berberis vulgaris, bryonia, Calcarea florica, rhododendron, rustrux, etc. used according to sign and symptoms. Your doctor may recommend one of these medicine that you cannot get over the counter. Allopurinol reduces uric acid production. Colchicine reduces inflammation. Febuxostate reduces uric acid production. Indomethacin is a stronger pain reliever. These all are allopathic drugs. So, in this way we see what is uric acid, what are the causes, normal value, types, what is gout, clinical feature, different mode of treatment like color therapy, homeopathy, allopathy, diet management. So, if we use combined effort, that leads to a speedy recovery of a sufferer or a patient. So, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.